Little Johnny walked into the kitchen at home and says, "Mommy, Daddy, where did I come from?" Well, it was a moment that Johnny's parents had carefully prepared. So they take him into the living room and get out several books and explain all the things that he should know about attraction and dating, affection and love, and of course reproduction. They play a long video that's shocking to the eyes, basically the entire history of the birds and bees. Then they both sit back after the presentation and smile contentedly. Well, little Johnny, does that answer your question? Not really, Johnny says. The new kid at school, Billy, said he came from Chicago. I just want to know where I came from. But thanks, I'm definitely going to use all of this stuff.